Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, what am I doing right now? Well, it's 6:45 in the morning. What else would I be doing besides um, about to make the kids breakfast? They are up. They are right there, 1 and 2, and they are probably playing Roblox. Well, one of them's not. One of them might be. I don't know. But anyway, there's not much going on. I took one small little futures trade. I made a cup of small gas station coffee. Not enough to buy a Starbucks, but enough to buy a small gas station cup of coffee. And not a good gas station cup of coffee, probably some, gas station in the middle of nowhere, um, because we didn't make much. Okay. But it's fine. I wasn't even going into this. There's not much range right now in the futures. So I drew a trend line. It respected the trend line. I took the trade and I took the profit. There wasn't much meat to the move though. So anyway, other than that, I mean, we have the gappers on here, and I'll show you that if I can show you. Let's see. Can you guys see this? I don't know. I'll have to look and see. But this is the way that I have my screen set up. So I have right here, I have where I detached the scanner. So the TOS scanner's right there. So I could always come in here and click scan so I don't miss any new ones that pop up. So what happens with the scanner is you'll get updated information for the ones that are on here, but I think it updates every couple of minutes for the watch list. So I like to detach it and I like to put it in here, which is my 5-minute window. So, because I don't need that at the moment, right? We're currently not in any position, so I'll come in, I'll click scan every once in a while just to make sure I have what I need to have. And the trade that I took, like I said, after commissions, this is a gas station cup of coffee. I drew a trend line out this morning as I was watching this, and then I just took a trade short here, covered here. It respected it, the trend line. So when I drew the trend line, I took the trade here. So I drew it at about 5:45, 5:50 in the morning. When it came up here, I started to get a little nervous. I had my stop set at 39. So it tried to take orders out, which is what happens a lot of times when the overall, when it's about to sell off. They'll snap up. I'm going to try to zoom in on this, but market makers, not for me, but market makers in general, look at the range on this one candle. You have almost a 150, almost a 1.5 move, if I could do my math right. And from the next minute, you have almost a 2-point move, which the whole range on this hasn't even been that much. They'll snap it up, take all these orders out, and then profit on the way down. This is the way the futures trades. That's why I like to draw out these trend lines. And you see here, we broke through, and that's what normally will happen. You have a lot of green volume come in. Anytime you break a descending trend line like this, you'll get a decent move. And that's not what we saw right here. It immediately snapped back. So anyway, that's the thought process that went into this trade. Like I said, after commissions, because these things are expensive on TOS, I think this trade cost me just about $5. So like I said, small cup, gas station, not even a good gas station cup of coffee this morning. But that's it. I mean, that's all I did. That's all I'm going to do. Unless I see something which is here on our pre-market scanner, which we have nothing. This thing hasn't moved at all. It's not 7 a.m. yet. I'll monitor this one and we'll see what happens at that point. But until then, there's really not much going on. The whole market is basically consolidating after yesterday's sell-off. And, you know, outside of small little scalps that you can do, it's just not the time to put a lot of risk on. And today I'm going to be working at my own business, so I'm not even going to be able to be behind the screens, but I've already went in. I've alerted the Discord, which I have here. I alert them of all the important price levels of the SPY and the Qs. Also, I do the same on Twitter. So if you guys want, I'll link that in the description. Discord, Twitter, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all over the place. Green bar trading. So, yeah, that's all I have. I hope everybody has a great day. It's Friday. Fridays tend to be a little slower in the market. And, yeah, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys back with the next video. All right. Everybody take care.